quick chicken pesto pasta recipe. This is a great weekend or midweek meal. In a saucepan with already boiling water, add the pasta of your choice. I'm using 180 grams of macaroni. This feeds two. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, along with 1 garlic clove that's already been crushed, and 4 spring onions which have been chopped. Give it a mix round to combine for a moment or two. Then you want to add in 2 heaped tablespoons of tomato pesto and again give it a good mix round. Now I like a little bit of heat, so I add half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. I then add in 1 cooked chicken breast which has been chopped, and you'll see that then I need to actually make sure it's all combined and coated on all sides. Then add in 130 ml of chicken or veg stock, and you want to make sure that you cook this through for around about 4 to 5 minutes. It will reduce and thicken. Next I add in 2 heaped tablespoons of mascarpone cheese. This gives it a real glorious, thick, delicious texture and melts into the dish well. Cook this for around about 2 minutes. When your pasta's cooked, add it and mix through. Make sure you've got everything in there all combined and coated well. Serve in bowls and add in some basil and freshly grated parmesan cheese. Go enjoy it. This is our firm family favourite. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.